Hello and welcome to Unit 1 in our Modern Latin American History class. As you've probably already read, this unit is an introduction to each other and to the study of history, as well as to the specific field of Latin American history. So what we're going to be doing over the next couple of weeks is some work on the discussion board. There will be an email assignment that you'll need to complete. You're going to register for and get used to using Twitter a little bit. Because we'll be using that to initiate our discussions of the readings and the videos each week following this unit. You're also going to read a couple of articles on, I should say one article in the intro to the Chastain book on what is Latin America. So we're going to try to define Latin America so that we can kind of begin from that baseline as we study the modern history of Latin America. This class begins right around 1810. The reason for that cutoff is that 1810 was the beginning of the independence movements of the various Latin American nations from Spain. So at that point then, in Mexico specifically, and in a couple of other nations as well, or I should say new nations, they declared their independence from Spain and began either kind of a holdout period of representing the Spanish government while it had been under the control of Napoleon, or they began a process of fighting battles, wars, to gain their independence from Spain. The independence period ended generally around 1830, so we have to also remember with Latin America, we're talking about the better part of a hemisphere. We're not just talking about a single nation or even a single region so much, because we have South America, we have Central America, Mexico, the Caribbean. Different authors and writers debate which of those areas are all included in Latin America, and we'll read a little bit about that. But again, we're covering a large area that has many different political jurisdictions. So we're beginning when those political jurisdictions took shape in the early 19th century. Please ask questions early and often as you work through this class, whether in this unit or any other unit or assignment coming up throughout the summer. Also, I look forward to getting to know you better on the discussion board as we introduce ourselves to each other. I think that's an important part of being able to work together and to collaborate a bit as we try to learn as much as we can about Latin America's past. So I'll leave that one right there for now. Once again, please ask questions whenever you have them, and welcome to the class.